All right. Breaking news. This is the most exciting thing I have been waiting for. Zero Hydra failures. What is Zero Hydra failures? No, it's not a meetup in, it's not the Knicks uh, Zurich meetup as I thought. The first time when I heard about this, I thought this was the semi-yearly Knicks meetup that happens in Zurich called Zero Hydra Failures, and I thought that's a really cool name. But now I know what it means, right? So the new Nix OS release is going to happen soon, the 2405. So sometimes in May, and now we're in May. So this campaign, Zero Hydra Failures, it's kind of like the last call where everyone can just fix stuff what needs to be fixed, and this is a really good opportunity for new Nix contributors to help, and also there are many packages that are not maintained by anyone called orphaned packages. So maybe I will be able to somehow become a parent of a package, a maintainer, and then hence become a NixOS maintainer. I may get that. I like to get that, on GitHub, where you are part of the organization. Yeah, something like that. That'd be nice. So I'm gonna be recording this because maybe some people would like to let's try like this. Maybe some people, is this heard? Maybe some people would like to, I'll just check like this. Maybe some people would like to also contribute to ZHF, Zero Hydra Failures, but how to do it? Look at this, fail without maintainer. All fail builds failed by maintainer. So let's try fail without maintainer. Now, I'm not sure. I read, and where do I find it now? I read I read this on the phone, right? Wait. So, will I able to find it? ZHF, Hydra Nixos. Yeah. Maintained. Oh, right. I have the link here. But how did I get this? Nix Zero Hydra Failures. So this issue was open 4 hours ago. And what's the link? Issues. Issue 309482. Let's maybe find it like that. NixOS. Maybe will I find it like this? No, I should go to GitHub. Maybe there's a tool. Where is this? How did I open this? Wait, find a repository. Let's go to NixOS, Nix packages, and issues. Maybe here. Issues. This is so exciting. I'm going to be recording this. Look, it's open 4 hours ago. This is where I found it. All right. This is where I found it. Zero Hydra Failures, issue 309482, stardate. This is Captain Jean-Luc Picard. We are Weijia Wang Jörg Talheim, the release manager for Wakari. It sounds like a Star Trek episode. Today we want to invite everyone to participate, in the Zero Hydra Failures project, wherein we prepare the package set for the upcoming release up until its public release at the end of May. There are only 2 more upcoming dates that we'd like to mention in that context. This is the branch off. 2/24/05/22. So on May 22nd, we are now May 6th. It's the branch off. And 31st of May, the release. The complete timeline can be found in the release schedule. The mission, should you choose to accept it. Every time we plan to do a release, we take time to stabilize the master branch and later on the release branch. Our goal here is to reduce the number of failing jobs on the Nix packages trunk, NixOS trunk combined. Job sets, there are these job sets, yeah, trunk and trunk combined. I'm not sure what trunk and trunk combined. As much as possible before branch off. We call this the zero Hydra failure campaign. Besides aiming for zero failed jobs, we also strive to again provide all packages that were available in the previous release. Changes need to always target the master branch. Take note that the branch off will occur on May 22nd, after which ZHF changes will need to be tagged with the backport release, alright, job sets. The relevant job sets to check for failing jobs are NixOS trunk combined and Nix packages trunk. Also, there is the Nix Hour ZHF episode, which I've seen it once, but this is something that's going to be important. Maybe I'll watch this again. Now it's too slow, but this is within Finisal does the same. I think this was recorded last year or something. Participating in ZHF debugging packages marking as broken. I should use something like this to write. This is nice.
Okay, there's no release. Oh, so this
he
is the Nix
doesn't
packages
fix like
job
a
set.
package.
The actual Nix.
Yeah, I'll have to watch this again. The Nix Hour 31. All right. 31. Workflow, finding broken packages, eval reports. Evaluation reports provide a structural overview of the most impactful failing builds. They originated at Nix Community Nix Review Tools and were automated over at Nix Review Tools reports. What's this? Navigate to Malloc GitHub Nix Review Tool reports. All right. I have here one. Navigate. Let's check the reports. Nix Review Tools reports. The site contains reports generated using Nix Review Tools for evaluations of major Hydra job sets, which list the packages that fail to build by platform and problematic dependencies, packages whose failure to build caused other packages to fail to build due to being a dependency of the later package. Reports are added, updated hourly. So these are like released reports by trunks combined, staging next trunk. Yeah, I'm not sure what to check. Like, should it? Oh, that's options. So, well, look, if I go to trunk here, evals report issues. Oh, dependency fail. So Apache HTTPD packages, mod tile, banking. What's this? Banking, Entor, Chess, SCM utils. What's this? Scheme, I think. This is nice. Emacs mapper. Wow, let's check this scheme thing. Chaz. Let's just see where this leads us. Dependency fail. Oh, this leads us to Hydra and cached failure. All right. Well, let's keep this in mind. Open the relevant job set, right? See the previous section on which job set to select based on what you're looking at. Linux, Darwin, or NixOS tests. Browse the latest reports for build failures. Count. Nix. Follow the links to the build failure on Hydra. Did we check the evals reports? Reports by job sets. NixOS release. Seeded, combined. Yeah, but what's this image? Problematic dependencies. Zero Hydra I don't know. Let's see more. It's the platform automatically crawls Hydra and lists packages by maintainer and lists the most important dependencies, failing packages with the most dependents. It also graphs the general trend per platform. Navigate to ZHFail. Oh, that's the same. Oh, okay, that's the same page. Nice. Zero Hydra failures. Current target master. Oh, for the record, we started ZHF here. Latest Linux derivation, latest Darwin evaluation, failing builds, total fail builds for comparison. Last release ZHF started here. Details. Check on packages you maintain, clone Nix packages, and check out the master. Alternatively, you can check fail overview also. Hydra. Oh, I should finally clone and check out the master branch. So I already forked it. You have to go to Nix packages repository and fork it. Right? You fork it. This is the Nix packages. You go like fork, and then it goes into your repositories. This is me. And Nix packages, right? And now I think you have to, I'm gonna clone this actually. Now I have to clone this. Right? So ls, let's go to source and git clone. Yeah. And now I'm going to clone the Nix packages that I forked. And then we're going to set like so that it syncs with the upstream Nix packages, because the problem being I'm cloning now Nix packages that I have in my repo, and I forked this like a month ago, and probably I synced it once or twice, but I'm forking now what I'm cloning now what I forked. And I guess the idea is because you are doing the contribution, so you got to fork it in your repo, then clone your repo, and then upstream it. So like your repository is synced with the Nix packages repository. So when you make changes in your cloned, in your forked Nix packages repository, it will go upstream, right? It will go upstream and it will sync. So then like you make a branch, and then that branch you suggest, like you make a pull request to merge that branch with the Nix packages repository, and then you become a Nix packages maintainer and you become world famous, and you get a Nix shirt. I'm joking. I don't know. All right, so this is, as you can see, this is like 17% and already 400 megabytes. This is my speed, which is okay, not bad for now. All right, let's see, but let's try to. I like really want to record everything. Like I didn't want to like try to understand and then record I mean, what Infinicil did was great, but he kind of knows what he's doing. So I want to record a recording where I don't know what I'm doing. Like I've never made a contribution. Only at Nix Dev, right? Like finding stuff, you know. But I never made like I really want to maintain a package. I want to contribute. I want to get on that list. And I heard that Zero Hydra Failures is a great way to start. So I think I'm ready, even though I don't know what I'm doing still. But I want to really fix something and maybe become a maintainer of a package that no one is maintaining. So there are these things. This is what I'm actually interested in, which is kind of a nice idea, right? So the package has no maintainer. It's kind of a sad thing. Oh, there's no maintainer. And there's some interesting, wait, you can check failed Hydra. Hydra is Nix packages, right? Continuous integration platform, CI, where all active branches are built and pushed into the cache, after which channels can originate from its build results. That sounds cool. Open the Nix packages trunk job set. Okay, I'm opening it. Select the latest evaluation. This is me. The latest. Does that mean the latest? All right. Just a moment. All right, I'm back. I will have to stop soon, but I think I can make a pause and then continue next time. So anyway, this is, wait, evaluation, trunk. So these are the failed builds, I guess. Clang, cherry tree, Elm packages, Germinal, GNOME console. Build, previous builds, changes, log. Yeah, I remember what Infinisil did. I think he went to log limit exceeded. Below is the build log of derivation. Wait, let's take something smaller, I guess. Loading. Wait, let's, ah, wait, select the latest evaluation. Directly failing jobs are marked with a red cross, while transitively failing ones are grayed out. Oh, transitively failing ones are grayed out. Yeah, the transitive dependencies. These are like dependencies, like cousin dependent. Wait, GNOME console, cherry tree, Darwin. No, I don't want it. It's all Darwin. Yoda, Xfitter, Virt Manager. Let's try. Use the search form to scope the package list to things relevant to you and that you can test. Use the search form. Where's the search form? Search jobs by name, newly succeeded, evaluation, compare to. Wow, this is exciting. Search jobs by name. Probably search form. Wait a second. Can I just write like Linux? Yeah. Haskell packages. So, like Haskell packages, duck, Yoda. Okay. Wait a second. What else? Use the search. Submit fixes. So search through PRs to make sure no one has provided a fix yet. If there is one, please take the time and help review the change. If there is no open PR, troubleshoot why it's failing and fix it. Create a pull request against the master branch and wait for potential review and change requests. Add the 0.kind ZHF fixes label so people can better browse these fixes. If your PR causes more than 500 rebuilds, it's generally preferred to target staging to avoid compute churn for users on master. If no reviewer is automatically added to your PR, check the Git history of the maintainers and ping them in the pull request, or ping them in the pull request, or add them if you have the rights as reviewers. If after a while no one has reviewed the PR, you can post it in the review request room on Matrix or in the topic on Discourse to get more attention. If after an extra while nothing really happened, you can drop a line in XOS development channel or mention XOS release manager on the PR backporting. Always video covering the backport process. All right. Apply the, this is backporting. I don't even know what backporting means really. Always link back to this issue by mentioning the issue. Broken packages, orphan packages. Wait, I just want to see this. Everything we cannot fix in time will need to be marked broken. So the Hydra will not retry builds over and over, thereby wasting compute resources. Oh yeah, This is important. Orphan packages. You can read about failing packages without a maintainer here. If you're new to NixOS, adopting an orphan package is a great way to get involved and contribute to the community. By doing so, you will not only help improve the overall quality of the NixOS system, but you'll also gain valuable experience working with Nix, the language and tool that powers the package management system. I want to do this. I want to save an orphan. I like this ZFH. ZFS, like I want to, this even looks interesting. Like Amazon image fails and ZFS, like I want to have ZFS. I did have ZFS in the past, but I didn't really know what I was doing with it. I just installed it. Okay. Build, return a non-zero exit code. I guess I will have to fix it. Part of failed log. Let's see what the log says. Loading. Formatting boot raw. I have to understand this. Image format was not specified for root raw. And probing guest raw. Wait, how long is this? Oh. What's happening in the beginning? BIOS. So this is a boot image. For what? Amazon image ZFS. I have no idea about these things. Parted. Okay, I did this. I know what this means. This is parting the virtual disk block. Look, MK label GPT, model block device, physical GPT, BIOS, MSFT data. Yeah. This is basically installing NixOS on ZFS on Amazon. ZFS create, yeah, pull, store, right? And then installing, right? This is like installing. Yeah, this is like when I installed NixOS with ZFS, and this is stuff what I had to do. So what failed? What failed? Copying path firmware, yeah, copying path. Exit handler, exit code 1. Set plus, run hook, failure hook, shift, local hook slice. What happened? Declare F, eval, power down. Let's try something. Let's just see what happens when I paste this in ChatGPT. Will ChatGPT find something? Let's just try it. I guess I would have to simulate it. Yeah, maybe. How do I simulate building an Amazon? Okay, wait. I have like 10 more 10 more minutes. Get GPT-4. Let's what's the issue here? Something regenerate. Will it work? What's the issue here? Yeah. The issue kind of appears to be related to several problems during the build and setup of NixOS based. Yeah. Image format warnings. There are warnings about the image format not being specified for boot raw and root raw. This is potentially risky as the system might perform incorrect operations if the format is misidentified. It's advised to specify the image format explicitly to avoid these issues. Solution: add a specification for the image format in the commands that create these images, for example by appending fraw, to ensure the format is explicitly set as raw. Interesting. Invalid elf header magic. Errors indicating invalid elf header magic suggest that they are corrupt or incompatible binaries, possibly due to a mismatch. Ensure that binaries or kernel modules are compatible with the target architecture and that they are not corrupted. Memory allocation error. Cannot allocate memory during the file, suggests a lack of available memory. Check the available memory. These are starting points. Well, that's a beginning. You need to debug further. So I would have to. This is interesting. Like this kind of interests me. Just like piqued my interest. But I would have to build it maybe like a Virtually, I would have to build it. I would have to look for Amazon image on NixOS. I don't have time now. But this is something that's interesting me. Let's keep it here, right? And Arch 64. No, I'll do this one. Wait. This is the Arch. What's the Arch? Is this ARM or something? Let's do this one. Both failed. This is interesting. And I saw something maybe like Nginx, maybe like a package, smaller package. Bosa Arduino, CD Paranoia. Ooh, CD Paranoia. Doom, Darwin, Linux, Emacs packages. Darwin, a lot of Darwin. What else? Darwin, Linux Haskell packages. There are Haskell packages failing. Why am I not surprised? Okay, this is a bad joke. Changelog, errata. What's the errata? Linux free type. What can we try? Let's try something. I'm kind of picky now. I'm picking my orphan. Darwin. There's a lot. Wait, can it just these are packages. Direct failures, indirect. Jump to direct. To fail to build themselves. Maintained by nobody. Linux. Wait, let's just do it like a random vector. Let's see. Linux. No. Yeah, there's no size here. Let's make it like this. Packages. This is Python. No Python. Thank you. Wait. Ruby. Tests. Nix packages tests. Hardening flags. Telepathy. Tech programmer. Smatch. Cirula. What's Cirula? Failed. Dependency failed. Failed. Oh, dependency failed. Next, hardening flags. 45. Ooh, this is Clang. Ruby, Python, libtorrent. Perl. Next package is maker panel. Linux maker panel. What's a maker panel? Man pages. Open liar. Driver, Linux kernel packages. Libre. There's a driver. Maybe we could check a driver. x64. Kernel Linux hardened. ESGX. Maybe this. And build returned a non-zero exit code. Cached failure propagated from details. Build return a non-zero exit. Log. Unpack phase. Unpack. Yeah, I kind of want to. Oh, I have to stop now. And I think I have to stop now. I'll put a pause. All right.